2008, 2009, the country found itself in the depths of a recession, and many companies were forced to make a cutback on the size of their engineering teams to match the work level at that time. Now we're finding that as we're coming out of a recession, and we're seeing more and more engineering programs, those same companies are now faced with two questions. Do they have the confidence to recruit back to those original levels? And if they do, where do they find those engineers at a time when there's such a skill shortage? Because of Intrinsys' engineering background, what we're finding is customers are asking us if we can provide an engineering consultancy service, namely design and structural analysis, so that they can cap their engineering levels at a level that meets their regular workload and then manage that excess work through outsource to Intrinsys. So those companies are companies that we've worked with in the past. We've provided implementation of their software, we've trained them, and because we know their working practices, our engineers are able to provide a seamless integration with their engineering teams. Fundamentally, we're an engineering consultancy, and that's where the business started before we became involved in the PLM toolset from Dassault Systems. So really it's a logical extension for us to offer this service. And our engineers enjoy the work because it's very diverse. We have an engineering team that's large enough to support a multinational project, but also small enough that we can provide a very flexible and intimate service to our customers to meet their project needs. We're finding that structural analysis is an area of particular interest. More and more now customers are being asked to carry out analysis of their products, but often they don't have sufficient requirement to build that functionality in-house. In those cases, we're taking our stress team of 5 engineers who will either work directly with the customer carrying out that work on their behalf, or work alongside them, helping them to develop their own internal capability for the long term. Other areas that we've been involved in is providing mechanical design, electrical technician support, all run from our purpose-built workshop and test facility in Milton Keynes.